This is a brand new 2019 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro Edition from JML Audio of St. Louis. We did an updated media package for one of our clients. We have updated the media source in the dash with one of ours. We have remapped all the factory steering wheel controls here to basically take care of all the volume and source and track. This also is for Siri activation. This button right here will allow us to activate our forward camera. So when we hit this button right here, this allows us to see the forward image in front of the truck itself, which we can also shut off. If we tap the button, this will allow us to activate the real-time gauge controls, which allows us to get the vehicle information off the car's computer diagnostic port. We also, in the center console region here, add our sync cable, which allows us to plug in for Apple CarPlay for our Android Auto, as well as our Apple CarPlay configuration. This allows us real-time vehicle information off the car's computer, such as tire pressure and tire temperature. When we go in reverse, we retained all the factory functionality. So when we go in reverse, here is the factory system. In this case, is the original factory backup camera is retained. We also did a remote car starter solution package, which works off of the factory key, which in this case looks like this, where when we hit this button a sequence of times, it will start the car, and then we also have smartphone control. Have any other questions, please feel free to give us a call, 636-343-2020, or go to our main website, jmlaudio.com. Thanks so much. Talk to you later.